We'll be giving out some lectures to our students. The aim of this is to improve them academically and to ensure that our students can compete globally in the global market. Nigeria, as you know, is a very good country. It's a very nice country, full of people with talent, full of people with aspiring dreams and aspirations. But these aspirations and dreams and our hope might not be achievable if we don't have a solid background educationally. And that is what we're coming up to do, to make sure that our educational system improves, to make sure that our students can compete globally, and to make sure that our students, when they go back to school or in their academic section, they can be able to cope with the challenging system in the school. Now, in this program, we're going to be offering subjects like government. We are going to be offering subjects like economics and history. And if possible, we're going to be giving lectures on the English language and also religious studies. But on the higher level, most especially for our students in the university, we're going to major mostly on some courses that has to do with political science and public administration. Now, as part of those courses we're going to be taking under political science, we'll be offering introduction to political science. We are going to take courses on Nigeria constitutional development. We are going to be taking courses on, the concept of development and underdevelopment. We're talking about the center of the periphery theory. We're going to be taking courses on the, macroeconomics, and we're going to be taking courses also on the Nigerian legal system. We are going to be taking courses on political economy. We're going to be taking courses on international relations. You can, with all these dimensions and these things I've mentioned so far, I believe that most of the students that are in the public administration and political science department, or social sciences, will be able to benefit tremendously from these lectures. So all you need to do is to subscribe to my channel, which is at David Oni, and you click on the notification button, and also to leave your comments on this channel on ways through which you can be able to improve on our lectures for you. The whole process of this thing is to garner enough knowledge to to catapult you to the highest level of education. So don't miss this opportunity. Subscribe to my channel, David Oni. Press the notification bell, leave your comments, and I can bet you will never regret your decision, because we are well prepared. So why don't you take that ample opportunity and benefit from this intellectual forum that we're going to start very soon. It promises to be fun, it promises to be engaging, it promises to be entertaining. Over the years, I've been lecturing people. I've been able to produce intellectuals, in my own attributes, in my own functionality. And I can say today that those students have not regretted that decision. You understand? You can be part of the success story